Coding circuits is fun when you use the BrainPad Kit and a BrainPad Pulse. Let's make an LED roulette game 2 players can play. The object: each player tries to stop the LED when it reaches their button. First player to 5 wins. Let's start. Measure the components. Select an enclosure. Lay out the holes. Drill it. Grab some metal standoffs. Attach them to the pulse. Put the pulse in the holes. Attach standoffs to the LED ring and both buttons too. Attach additional standoffs underneath. Connect the alligator clips to the appropriate standoffs. The wiring might look scary, but it's really not. Go ahead and pause the video to wire it if you like. Close the box. Make the code. The complete code is available on the BrainPad website. Ready, set, go. BrainPad. Play, code, excel.